The Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy's newest aircraft carrier, the Fujian, has been widely reported by local sources to be the world's first aircraft carrier with an operational Hard-KiII Anti-Torpedo defense system, with Chinese defense publications and analysts highlighting that launchers visible on the ship are almost certainly intended for the system. The system is designed to detect and physically destroy incoming torpedoes before they reach the carrier, making it distinct from traditional, soft-kill defenses such as acoustic decoys and jammers, which attempt to confuse or divert incoming weapons rather than kinetically target them. The new system has drawn parallels to the new Hard-KiII active protection systems being integrated onto modern main battle tanks. Chinese researchers have noted that the new ATT system achieves world-class levels of detection accuracy, interception reliability, and system integration, building on an earlier Chinese anti-torpedo technology demonstrator that was first revealed in 2016. Although the U.S. Navy initiated its own anti-torpedo torpedo defense system (ATTDS) program, this was ultimately cancelled after failing to meet performance requirements, while a successor Hard-KiII program remains under development. If the reports regarding Fujian's ATT system are accurate, the warship would retain a significant survivability advantage over other aircraft carriers. Modern heavyweight torpedoes have during multiple simulated combat exercises proven to pose among the greatest threats to aircraft carriers, which makes a capable Hard-KiII defense system particularly invaluable for the Fujian and future Chinese aircraft carriers. These future supercarriers are also expected to integrate ATT systems, with the possibility remaining significant that such systems will also be integrated onto older Chinese capital ships including the carriers Liaoning and Shandong and Type 055 class destroyers.